In 2025, Zodiac horse is pretty good in this year, and you can see from this chart, Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. This is Master Alex. Welcome. If you're born in the following year, your Zodiac is horse, which is 1942, 1954, 1966, 1978, 1990, 2002, and 2014. And in 2025, Zodiac horse is pretty good in this year. And you can see from this chart, you have a 4 auspicious stars, which is helping you. And then the first 2 are really good. The one is a Teen Hong and Tire. These 2 stars will help you to have some good people surrounding you whenever you need some help. Some of your friends, your relatives, or the people surrounding you will just show up and help you out. And then for the number 3, Chang, this star is really good for examination, education. So let's say, if you want to further your education, you can do that this year because the luck is really good. Or if you want to acquire some professional certificate, this year is also a good year to do that. Or if you need to have a more creative in mind, or need more critical thinking, need to have a smart mind, this year, this Chang is also helping you in your job. And then the last one is a Teen Shui. This star is really good for you to have a good party, good enjoyment, good food. And during the party, you will have a lot of opportunity, maybe match some important people in your life, or match your a better half. So this year is a good year for you to go out and then to expand your life. So will be really good. Okay, let's say if you are working for somebody, this year is a good year for you to further your career, further your business, take some a challenging job, or maybe if you want to quit your job to find a better one, this year is also a year for you to consider it. Or if you want to start your own business, 2025 is also a good year to choose it. Or if you already have your business, 2025 is also a good year for you to expand your business. Maybe to have another branch, or to team up with another partner. This year you can also consider it. In terms of the investment, this year is also a good year for you to invest. You can do it more aggressively, but you need to watch out for the market closely, but the result should be good. And then in terms of the health, that will be only a minor health concern. It won't be a too much huge issue. Okay, the last one, which is the love energy, you need to be really careful this year, because just the love energy, there's some issue. If let's say if you already have get married, this year you need to be careful for the marriage status. Be nice to your spouse, and in terms of the marriage, because there will be some affair or marriage concerning issue will show up. But if you just pay attention to it, that should be fine. It won't be too much issue. And if you want to have a better luck this year, you can also find some good people to help you. The Zodiac goat is always good for you. That one is more a personal. And in terms of the business, you can find the Zodiac dog and tiger to help you out in your business. And you need to stay away from the Zodiac rat, because the rat is the number 1 against you. Ox and rabbit, they're also not really good for you. And if you want to have a better luck, you can use that following timing for you. Every single day from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. is your lucky timing. From 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. is also your lucky timing. So anything important you can schedule on this, like a lunch appointment, dinner appointment. Stay away from those bad luck timing, which is 11 p.m. to 3 a.m., 5 a.m. to 7 a.m. That will be good. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye. If you want to learn Feng Shui systematically, I have a class online. The name is Accredited Professional Practical Feng Shui Master Course. I put the link down below. You can go there, check it out. Or if you want to read some Feng Shui book, I have a book on Amazon.com. The name is Practical Feng Shui 101. I also put a link down below. Thanks for watching. Thank you.